Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so fixes work. Update WhatsApp, grant contacts and storage permissions, and use a steady network. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient permission locks and open WhatsApp immediately. Make sure WhatsApp can access contacts so status viewers populate, otherwise things appear as views not available. Next, check privacy settings. If you previously hid your last seen or blocked contacts, undo those for testing. This establishes the correct environment. Now you rebuild WhatsApp state so view counts return. Start by clearing the app cache from settings. If that fails, clear app data after a backup. Note this resets local messages. Once cleared, force stop and reopen the app so it re-authenticates with servers. Make sure you grant permissions when prompted and let the app sync. Do not immediately swipe it away. Allow up to several minutes for statuses and viewer lists to repopulate. If you use dual apps, repeat on the secondary instance. Finish by reinstalling WhatsApp only if cache/data didn't help. Backup, uninstall, reinstall, restore backup, and recheck statuses. If views still show unavailable, switch networks or use mobile data to rule out firewall or carrier issues. Make sure the other person also hasn't blocked or adjusted privacy settings. One key troubleshooting tip: ask a trusted contact to post a status and confirm you see their viewers. If you still fail, the issue is likely account side or server side and requires.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.